Come with me, I'm gonna do a styling video for you guys today, showing you how to wear all of our pre-fall looks. I have everything set up in my office, so come on in and let's get started. Hi guys, today I'm gonna be doing a styling video showcasing Brunette the Label pre-fall and showing you how I wear some of my favorite pre-fall pieces. I'm gonna be using 3 of my favorite trends right now. 1 of them is tonal outfits, 2 of them hair clips, and 3 leopard print. So let's get started. Brunette the Label life hack: size up 2 sizes in one of your favorite core sweatshirts and it will fit just like our big sister in an oversized look.
The sun goes down, we'll still be up, don't care about the place we found. We'll still be up, we're in this together, we both fall down. Doesn't matter if the sun goes up, 'cause we will still be high when the lights out.
Brunette the Label life hack 2, if you want more of a crop look, size up 1 size and then crop your sweatshirt and it will be more of like an oversized crop fit. Brunette the Label life hack number 3, if you want to dress up one of our core sweatshirts, you can simply throw a blazer over your shoulders with a super cute pair of booties and jeans. And if you want something a little dressier, you can tuck it into a high-waisted skirt, and either look is great to go from day to night.
Live for the moment, lose control. Rent a car you can't afford, put on a song that we both know. Let your hair out in the wind, put the pedal to the floor. Flame your light and take a smoke, put your broken rib off, wafers on. Doesn't matter if the sun goes down, we'll still be up, don't care about the place we found. We'll still be up.